In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Garmin. Now, it's really easy to do, and I'll also show you how to fix the issue where the two apps aren't connecting together. So the first step is just to go and open up the Garmin app on your phone. From the Garmin app, you need to click on More in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Settings. You can then scroll down again and click on Connected Apps. Now at the top, you'll see all of the apps that you currently have connected, and to go and link MyFitnessPal, we just need to click on it from the list, and you'll get this pop-up. Just go and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can press Link Accounts. Now it's going to ask you to authorize this. Just click on the authorize button, and then you may need to sign in to your MyFitnessPal account. Once you're signed in, click on Allow, and that will have now linked the two accounts together. So what you can do is go and open up the MyFitnessPal app on your phone, and you should now be able to see all of your exercise data pulled through to the app. Now, just to make sure the connection's successful, you can click on More in the bottom right hand side. You can then scroll down and click on Apps and Devices, and then click on the tab for Connected, and you should be able to see your Garmin Connect from the list. Now, if you have tried to do this and it's not working or it's not syncing together, then you'll simply need to go in, unlink and disconnect the two accounts, and then you can try relinking them together, and that should go and solve that issue. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.